We're going to get right into this. We're going to go through an update through the update manager. So when you open up your update manager, and it's looks like a little shield, and it's down in the corner there of your screen. If you can't open it, you haven't gotten that far yet, then go back, go back to some earlier videos and see if you can figure out what your screen looks like. Oh man. So this is the update manager, and these are the updates that are available. I've got, I don't know, a couple dozen here. Um, there's some things I don't bother going through. If I don't know something, I simply look it up. It's easy. So this C++ standard library, C++ is a computer language, and some software is written in C++. So an update to the library there is good. Linux kernel, a new kernel. We got a new kernel. Wow. Old version, new version. When did that come up? Must be recent. Not ever heard of it. Oh, I remember that one. I didn't do it yet. Chromium web browser update. A grub 2. Unified broad bootloader. Oh, bootloader version. Um, and yeah, that one I think I'll look up. Grub 2. See this? Found a little bug. Found a little bug in Brave. If I type something in here and I go with my mouse and I'm clicking on the search, it doesn't work. I have to hit enter. There we go. Okay, Ubuntu. Grub2 is capable of password protecting menu editing, access to the Grub2 terminal, and specific or all menu entries. Can also limit access to specific entries for specific users, and can encrypt plain text passwords for increased security. So Grub2, it sounds like that's important to me. And then another Grub2 here, Grub2 and some libraries, a bunch of libraries. Brave, fast internet, AI and ad block updater, that's okay. Free desktop platform. What the heck is that? It's a flat hub. Real-time platform for applications. Let's go back. Let's go back on Brave, and let's check out that one. And it was called Free. I gotta go back to it now. It's called Free Desktop Platform. Free Desktop Platform. FlatHub on Linux. The free desktop platform is a basic runtime for Flatpak applications that contains the most basic libraries and files needed to run a Linux desktop application. Contains selection of software that form a stable ABI for building a Flatpak. Here we go again. What the hell's an ABI? A stable ABI. What the heck is that? What is an ABI? ABI. Application binary interface. Okay, good to know these things. for building Flatpak applications, including but not limited to the latest versions of the free desktop technologies like X11, Mesa, Wayland, Debus, Cairo, and all these other things. Okay. All right. So that's okay. That's all right. I can deal with that. That one's worth it. So that's all I basically do. Because it says here Mesa. I guess, am I running Mesa? I am running Mesa. And then there's a Mint Y Aqua theme. If you like Aqua. And that's it. So I'm going to hit the install updates because I've selected them all. And screen goes gray. And the screen goes dim because this comes up. The authentication required. And when that comes up, it means that you're doing something very serious here. So I'm going to type in the password there. You guys don't get to see this. I can't even show you in real time on the screen because I can't add this to the screen. It's weird, but I'm glad of it. And I'm going to hit authentication. There it is. Okay, here it goes. It's going. And so in the background, it's installing packages and what have you, blah, 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 blah. I guess it becomes easier just to show you what I'm doing in the background. So you can click on details here with any package, and it actually breaks down the individual elements of the package that it's downloading. The good thing about Linux Mint is that after it installs this package, it uninstalls the old package that it's replacing and removes the files so that it doesn't continuously eat up your storage space. That's it. So we're gonna this might take a while. We might have to go zip 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 zip. There we go. So you have to remember with Linux Mint is a little bit of Debian and a little bit of Ubuntu. And so it kind of like has dual citizenship. A lot of Linux software for all other kinds of Linux operating systems work on Linux Mint to a good degree. And that's what makes Linux Mint so appealing to people who are just beginning, because almost anything you try works. So it's really good. So you don't have to watch this back end here. You don't have to watch the details. You could just watch the little thing go flipping by, and sometimes that's it's more interesting. I'm just gonna hang out here. I'm just gonna let this pass. So you see the flat packs kicking in here now, and all the flat packs. Flat packs are a different machine. They download separately from like Ubuntu or whatever, and we see this because where it's coming over here in the origin section, it'll give you where it's coming from, right? So one came from Linux Mint, another download came from Ubuntu, and then further on down was Flatpak. And that's it. We're almost there. We're almost through it. And now we're done. Yay, congratulations. This is saying a reboot is required, on. And then here we have another update. FFmpeg extension with extra codes. 24 bytes. I'm going to save that for the next time. Well, let's, or how quick can it be? That's it, done. Now we're going to reboot. So I'm going to reboot and we'll come back here in a second. And we came we came back to ground zero. Our system is up to date. If you got anything out of this video, give me some feedback on this. Not quite sure if it helped anybody. I hope it did.